Nous disons gracieusement merci à tous ceux qui s'évertuent pour assurer notre bien-être.
The assistance availed by Harvest Plus, the commercial organ of the African Center of Tropical Agriculture, was essentially made of biofortified beans rich in iron and zinc. At the orphanage center Levmwa in Turunga village, Nyiragongo territory, 500 kilograms of beans were provided in favor of around 200 children. The latter sang and declared to be thankful to Harvest Plus for this one more assistance. Moise Iyungu is the chairman of Orphans and Vulnerable Children at Levmwa Center. After handing a sample of this food item to children, Roberti Mwamba, Harvest Plus manager in Goma, proceeded at yet another orphan center at Bugamba 1 village in the same entity. Here, 400 kilograms of biofortified beans are given to this structure, which caters for more than 100 vulnerable children and orphans, action which is welcomed by the initiator of the center, Murula Romain. Last but not least, the social center Marchons Ensemble benefited from this assistance with 600 kilograms. Songs of joy from these elderly people demonstrated that this assistance is timely. Harvest Plus is the sole organization which has favored this home of elderly people, said the manager of this structure. In all, 1.5 tons of this rich grocery were provided by Harvest Plus for this day, an assistance aimed at upgrading the nutritional condition of vulnerable people, said Roberti Mwamba. Let's note that Harvest Plus is not at its first social responsibility activities. This assistance is one of its many activities achieved this year in favor of vulnerable people and mostly in favor of children suffering of malnutrition.